How do I open the door?
There was something wrong with that scene. Something odd.
In this city during the past month, there have been 3 as yet unexplained murders. The victim in each case was a woman. 3 crimes, all committed without any apparent motive whatsoever. It seems very clear to me that there is a dangerous maniac at large in this city.
Look out behind!
Yes?
Get smart, Mr. Dalmas. Take my advice. Mind your own business. Stop playing detective. It's not healthy. That was a warning yesterday. Wasn't it enough?
I feel that I'm getting closer to the truth every minute. The murderer is obviously of the same opinion. That's why he's trying to kill me.